So in this video today, I'll show you how to change your engine oil on a petrol water blaster. Do an oil change on this engine. It's a 6.5 horsepower engine. A ratchet, a marker, a funnel, and your engine oil. And a container, and a plastic container to collect the oil. Start by putting the container underneath and locate where your drain bolt is. On this machine it's here. Just get your marker and mark the position of the bolt so you know how tight to make it later on. Before you drain the oil, ideally you want to run the engine for a few minutes to warm the oil up. And then so when your oil is draining, you can open the fill port just to allow the engine oil to drain faster. So once your oil is drained, don't forget to take off the old crush washer and replace it with a new one. Then reinstall it on your drain bolt and put it back together. So now we're ready to fill the new engine oil in the engine. Just check your user manual for the oil specified for your region and country, depending on the temperature. So here we're using 1040 in our country. So as you're filling, just check with your dipstick the level of the oil. As you can see, it's just down here in the low part, so we'll keep filling till it comes to about here somewhere. As you can see there, now it's half filled, so we'll fill it a little bit more slowly. So now that it's full, just go ahead and reinstall your dipstick and tighten it up. Just wipe off any oil, and that's how you service your petrol water blaster. So don't forget to check out the channel. I've got a lot of content on water blasters, camper vans, motorhomes, cars, and many more things. Don't forget to give this video a like.